Alright, kindergarten, we are still looking at the letter X today. Yesterday we learned what the letter X looks like, and we learned the sound it makes. X. Sounds like a K with an S next to it. Today we're also going to talk about writing the letter X, which is super easy because we just slant down and slant down. There's an uppercase X. There is a lowercase x. They're the same, just the uppercase X is bigger, the lowercase x is smaller. Alright, we have a book for the letter X. It's a little bit crazy because we know that Mr. X is different, so he does not usually make his sound at the beginning of words, and here's an example. This book is called A Xylophone for X-Ray Fish. But the word xylophone, which sounds like it starts with a Z, starts with an X. Because X is different. He's not going to make his sound there. So this word is xylophone, but it starts with a Z. Now the word X-ray, that is the one word where we usually hear the X sound at the beginning. So a xylophone for X-ray fish. And I'm going to tell you we're not going to have a lot of X words in this story because there are not a lot of words we use that actually start with the letter X. So this is just a book kind of just for fun. The author is Liza Charlesworth. She wrote the book. The illustrator is James Young. There's the sign, Happy Birthday, X-Ray Fish. Today, X-Ray Fish feels extra special. It is his birthday. X-Ray Fish is expecting friends for a party. The party is extremely fun. Everyone plays pin the tail on a seahorse and other exciting games. At last it is time for X-Ray Fish to open his gifts. He knows exactly what he wants. A xylophone. X-Ray Fish has X-ray vision. He uses it to examine each gift before he opens it. Angel Fish gives X-Ray Fish a present. Is it a xylophone? He's using his X-ray vision. No, but it is an excellent gift. Thanks for the ball, exclaims X-Ray Fish. So in most of these pages, boys and girls, they have words that have X in them, but they're like excellent, exclaim. So they're not at the beginning, they're not at the end, they're in the middle. Next, Blowfish gives X-Ray Fish a present. Is it a xylophone? No, but it is an excellent gift. Thanks for the boat, exclaims X-Ray Fish. Then Tigerfish gives X-Ray Fish a present. Is it a xylophone? No, but it is an excellent gift. Thanks for the teddy bear, exclaims X-Ray Fish. There is one present left to open. The tag says, to X-Ray Fish from Mom. XO, 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 XO. All those X's mean I love you, his mom explains. Will this present be a xylophone? He's using his X-ray vision. It is a xylophone. Thank you for the excellent gift, says X-Ray Fish. Then he unwraps it. It is exactly what I wanted. X-Ray Fish plays Happy Birthday on his new xylophone. All his friends sing extra loud. Then it is time to eat cake. X-Ray Fish is excited. With his X-ray vision, he can see it is his favorite kind. Chocolate with seaweed filling. Oh, I don't know if I would like that, boys and girls, but I'm not a fish. Alright, so in this book, they do not have pictures of things that begin with the letter X because there's not a lot of words that begin with the letter X. The X sound was usually in the middle of the words. So instead they just did something for fun. They want us to count to see how many xylophones we can see underwater in the toy store. All right, let me see. I'm going to try to go top to bottom like we normally do when we're reading and writing. There's one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7. All right, that's all I see. Let me see if the answer's in the back. 7 xylophones. Can you find them all? We did. All right. Here is our cheer for the letter X. X is for X-ray fish swimming along. X is for xylophone to play a song. What else starts with X? Not a whole lot, but in tic-tac-toe, X marks the spot. Hooray for X, big and small, the most exceptional letter of all. All right, boys and girls, I will pull up Starfall for us to look at to see what they do with the letter X. All right, X is near the end of our alphabet. There it is.
X. X.
All right, so they've got X for X-ray.
Ox.
Here it is at the end of a word again.
Box. Fox in the box. Peekaboo.
All right, and fox and box are rhyming words.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, boys and girls, now we are going to write the letter X. So put your name at the top. Make sure you're using your pencil. We talked about that last week. We need to be writing our letters and numbers with the pencil. All right, when you look at the letter X, you're going to take your pencil and start at the top line and slant down. Then pick up your pencil, go back up to the top, slant down. Lowercase is the same way, but we put our pencil on the dotted line, slant down. Pick up your pencil, put it on the dotted line, slant down. So uppercase X and lowercase x. All right, we know on the first row they just want us to trace. X is a pretty easy letter as long as you make sure you're making it the right size. Make it tall since it is an uppercase. So do that whole first row. Then you're going to come down and write an uppercase X by yourself. You can leave a space between them. Slant down, pick up your pencil, slant down. Finish up that row. All right, now we're going to do our lowercase x. So put your pencil on the dotted line, and it's a small letter. Slant down, pick up your pencil, slant down. Do that whole row. Then go to the next row and write your own. Start on the dotted line, slant down, leave a space, slant down, slant down. And then at the end they want us to follow that pattern. Uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. So first we trace them. And then we write them by ourselves. Uppercase, lowercase, leave a space. Uppercase, lowercase, fill up that row. All right, kindergarten, so we have learned about the letter X. We have learned that this is the letter X. We can recognize it. We know the sound is X, and it is usually at the end of a word or in the middle of a word. We don't hear it at the beginning very often. And now we can write an X. Slant down, slant down. All right, have a great day, boys and girls. I'll see you later in groups, or I'll see you tomorrow morning in our meeting.